Okay, so we've got one of his finishing moves
So
going on
basically
right here at the moment.
And what I'm doing is stuff. My hand, if you notice, my hand's right there on his neck, his jugular neck, of his neck right there. No. And then he's fine right here because he has another one right there.
Well, he's laughing
because he can breathe and stuff. And then the other one takes right here. All I do is when I do this, I pull and stuff, and this comes right there.
There it goes.
Like
How you feeling?
He's going red.
Yeah, he feels that right there. So, and if I tighten up on it right there. Yeah, he can try to fight out of it, but he won't go nowhere. Yeah, that's pretty tight, pretty stiff, right?
He's already tapping out.
Tap in.
I've never seen Crackles' face go so red before, and I don't think it's that
That's
embarrassing.
another one. And then,
Okay, cool.
the other one is a real simple one. So, where I would, if a guy came up to me, and when we go to lock up, guys go lock up, you go put your hand on my shoulder right here, and I just grab his hand right here, and I just turn his wrist out like that.
Oh, he's down. Crackles is down.
Crackles is almost on the floor here.
Definitely.
Wow.
And we also got the top wrist lock right here.
Oh. Yeah, that
He's in pain. Look at his face.
Crackles going down.